Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Ladies and gentlemen, the MG ZS EV for you, India's first pure electric internet SUV. Ladies and gentlemen, we now request you all to kindly turn around and take a look behind.
This is my dream and I know it will come true. Because I know in my heart you all want it too. But who will make it real? For all I see is a polluted world.
So, we have been working for 2 years to change what EV we can build and how do we build with our partner ecosystem. So, one key partner along this journey has been Benedict. When we first spoke to him about our vision, he immediately expressed a desire to be part of this movement and recorded this special message for us.
Welcome everyone, and to the few gathered here at the MGZS EV Forum. You are all hoping to drive the world to a greener future. And by the few who begin this movement, you can empower other people as well to make the change, to help provide an infrastructure, a new ecosystem to support that greener future. Thank you. Have a great time.
So today, to make our world a better place, by doing our bit. We all wish we could do something, and do that. But we don't know where to begin with and how to bring this change. At MG, we work with the belief that we cannot change the entire world. All we need to do is to change the world around us as we do our bit. These initiatives will gather momentum and hopefully become a mass movement. But we cannot do it alone. We need an ecosystem, a value chain, the right infrastructure for this initiative to become a movement and further into a revolution, hopefully. So for this revolution, the first thing that we all need as individuals is a will to change, which is why we are here today. When MG India launched the Hector, India's first internet car, just a few months back, we set a new standard in innovation and technology and disrupted, hopefully, the automotive industry in our own small way. With our second launch, we are bringing an electric vehicle because we truly believe that the future of automobile is connected and electric. And we are taking our first step today to launch a vehicle of the future with an entire ecosystem to support it. The ZS EV is a pure electric internet SUV built to global standards to usher in a clean and green future in automobiles. Benefits of an electric vehicle for the environment and the society are well known. Not only will it protect the environment, but also provides a more efficient means of transportation, affordable, comfortable, reliable, and truly keeping with the times. However, there are myths and questions around EVs, rightly so. Through the course of the event today, we'll try to address most of these myths surrounding electric vehicles. After all, you never just buy an EV, you adopt a lifestyle. A lifestyle that says, I'm doing my bit to change what I can. Our partners and the ecosystem will ensure that this lifestyle adoption is friction-free as far as possible. I hope at the end of our event today, you will be convinced or literally charged up to take the pledge with us and join the movement to change what you can. I want to introduce Avira, our innovation mascot, who will regularly educate us and keep us updated on the latest from the world of internet and electric mobility. So here is Avira for you.
Future with you, I will be assisting you and shall bring into existence answers to all kinds of your automotive queries. There is very little I cannot do, but together there is a lot that we will do. Remember, I am never far away. Ciao!
Along with our partners and my colleagues, let me take you through the whole new lifestyle of ZS EV. The foundation of electric vehicle is built on two critical components, the battery and the electric drive system or EDS. The EDS in turn comprises of the motor and the automotive power module. So first let's talk about the battery. CATL or CATL is the leading name in EV battery and related research and development. In fact, in the past 2 years, CATL has been the largest EV battery supplier in the world. Our parent company, SAIC or SAIC, envisioned the future of electric vehicles more than a decade ago. And we set up a joint venture with CATL to build a battery plant, which will eventually have a capacity of, annual capacity of 36 gigawatt hour. This gigafactory is one of the largest in the world, bigger than Tesla factory with Panasonic. In fact, our JV partner, CATL, has been ranked 4th in the top 50 global firms by Fortune in the latest November issue. So now let me invite Dr. Zhu, head of the EV technology of SAIC, to tell us more about the battery and the system. By the way, let me tell you, Dr. Zhu is our Elon Musk of the East. And he is a very famous name globally in the battery technology and the EV technology. My honor to welcome Dr. Zhu.
Indian friends, I'm work for SAIC Motor. SAIC is the biggest automaker in China and the seventh biggest automaker worldwide. 10 years ago, we start to talk about electrification because in China we are facing the same problem India is facing, more and more car population and a pollution problem and a fossil fuel supply problem. So over the 10 years, we spent the money I spent through my hands, 30 billion RMB, to build up my technology base, engineering task force, and a supply chain. So we started sell car in China at 2012, but we start technology preparation at 2007. This year, this car, MG ZS EV, we start to launch to UK first and Thailand second. Now it's in Europe, total 17 countries. What is this common behind this? So we call 3E technology. Electrification means you have to have an energy storage device, which is battery, electrical drive system, and also very important, electronic control. So these are the backbones for the electrical vehicles. But the most expensive and most important system is battery. So I will spend a few minutes share with you about the battery. Most of people have experience with cell phone battery, but you have complained with this cell phone battery that after 2 to 3 years, it start to run out of electricity. You have to charge more frequently because degradation. For car, we need to drive it for 10 years. Secondly, when unfortunately your cell phone is dropping into the water, immediately gone. But your car has to drive in the raining with accumulated water. So what's the difference between consumer battery and electrical car battery? The difference is not only because there are a few thousand more times more energy than cell phone, but because we have a very sophisticated battery management system. It takes care of this thermal. You may have experience when you travel to a very cold area, the cell phone will not work, your computer will not work. But we are selling electrical car to Europe, North Europe. So we have to have the heating system for the battery to heat up. While in India, in another extreme case, in the summer, the air temperature can easily go up to even 50 degrees Celsius. So we have to have cooling system to cool down the battery pack. Beyond that, we have to develop a very good protection system to prevent water intrusion, dust intrusion, loss of insulation sort of things. So we call the industrial protection level 67 means what? Means you can drop the battery pack in the water 1 meter depth for 30 minutes without one single droplet into the battery box. And also, there's other abuse case. So we also develop the battery system according to a famous US company called UL, Underwriters Laboratory. They are famous on safety standards. They build up a standard for aerospace battery. So our battery system safety is follow this UL 2580 regulations. So 240,000 electrical cars in China, cycle model. We have no problems with safety. We also have electrical drive system. And for electric drive system, we need to have e-machine, gearbox, inverter controller, and components such as IGBT sort of stuff. Over the years, we built up a very good relationship with world-class suppliers. And later on, I leave this chance to Rajiv. He will introduce our partners to tell us more about it.
Of the world-renowned engineering company Bosch. Simply put, we are one of the world leaders and spearheading in innovation in drive technology. Our power electronics solution, or PE solution as commonly referred, powertraining, the ZS-EV is currently in its third generation, so a lot of learning has taken place already. Compact design, direct cooling, and a high accuracy temperature model ensure high performance and high power density for the car. Smart cools with algorithm PWM with full speed range, variable frequency control ensure high efficiency of the battery. What is also most important in passenger EVs is to give the control back to the hand of the customer. Speed versus the range of the car. In either end of the spectrum, whether you want to choose to drive your ZS-EV like a sports performance car, or if you choose to optimize battery performance to maximize range, in either case, our power electronic solution will be ensure the best possible output and experience. Needless to say, we have a very high level of functional safety in our solutions, including protection from unintended high torque, voltage hazards, and even impact high-related thermal hazards. All of this so that you have an amazing driving experience with your ZS-EV. Over to Rajiv. Thanks.
We are exceptionally proud to be a partner of choice for MG Motor India for their India EV plans for Second Life battery program. Exicom is an Indian company with leadership in EV chargers and lithium-ion based battery solutions. And we believe we're uniquely positioned to support MG's EV ecosystem and particularly battery second life program, having a sizable presence in stationary applications such as data centers, telecom backup, and other C&I applications. So what is second life? Well, as previously described, EV batteries are subjected to a tough life. Extreme temperatures, -30, +60, stones being thrown at them, harsh environments, partial cycles, heavy loads. However, even at the end of life, an EV battery has 70 to 80% of its start of life energy capacity available. It's therefore a logical step for MG to utilise the EV batteries in a second life application of energy storage. Examples including large-scale energy storage for grids, home energy systems, or even serve as a source of power in emergency or disaster situations. And as per McKinsey, cell availability to support these stationary storage powered by EV battery could exceed 200 gigawatt hours by 2030. To actually deliver this, a structured process will be established between MG and Exicom for the reapplication of automotive cells in energy storage situations. This will entail a number of steps, including battery pack disassembly, recycling the parts that can't be applied, testing of modules for capacity, and ensuring before being redeployed the high quality standards and ensuring state of health across all use cases. A key deliverable of this programme will be to support MG Motors' plans to be an environmentally conscious company. So through Second Life programme, we can help to develop a new ecosystem, create a circular battery value chain that generates positive impact on the environment. So let's just imagine for a moment a future where an MG electric vehicle will be charged at an Exicon station, powered by solar energy stored in Second Life batteries from that same MG electric vehicle. Thank you very much.